Good day everyone, I'm Joshua with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to repair a torn piece of carpet. For this job, we'll be using a seam glue adhesive. So here we have a torn piece of carpet. What we're going to do is we're going to take our glue that way I know I'm getting a good seal. We'll do that to both sides. It's okay if you get it into the fibers of the carpet because we're going to be applying that a little bit later. But what we'll do here is we'll actually pick up and push down so that way it fits together to where the top is going together first and not the bottom. So after we have it together, we have some strands here, it's a little bit of carpet that pulled out. We're going to take that and tuck it back into that tear. And you want to let this sit for a while. That way you make sure that your glue isn't getting disturbed and it has time to set up. So now that we have it back together, we're going to take the glue and apply it right over the top. And you want to go a little bit past it, down inside those fibers. And then we're just going to smooth out that glue with our fingers, pushing down all these little fibers that have gotten torn apart. And make sure this doesn't get disturbed, nobody walks on it, pushes anything across it, because the glue hasn't set up yet and it will get disturbed and look really nasty. You might not be able to fix it because there's all that glue inside. So you want to make sure it has adequate time to set up before anybody walks across it or does anything on the carpet. I'm Joshua with Lighty Contractors, and we just discussed how to fix torn carpet. Thank you for watching. Good luck with this project.